Want to track time and manage work logs right inside Jira? Then here's how to use the Tempo timesheets. So, on the Jira software, you can see the Tempo category and press on planning and budgets. You can also press the tracker button. After that, it will send you right here, which you can see the calendar view. To log time, you just need to drag one of the tasks or clicking on a specific date, which you can see right here. Now, this is the app version or website version. You just need to drag it, then put it right here. Then you just need to put your user, if what's your name, then the date, which you start, and when will you end, work for how many hours, billable, the remaining estimate, then accounts. You just need to fill up the prompts right here. Then after that, it will proceed you right here, which you can set up the recurring work logs for daily or weekly tasks to save time on manual entry. Then you can integrate with tools like Google Calendar, Slack, or Tempo Planner to automate and sync tasks. With Tempo timesheets, time tracking in Jira is accurate, efficient, and perfect for billing or project report. Stay on track, log smarter with Tempo.